What's going on, y'all? Back on the road with Ali Tough. About to go ahead, get this going, show y'all what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I ain't cooking much. About to pop me something out this refrigerator, put it in the microwave, keep it moving. And grab me a bottle of water. I got a soda in there too, but. I had that open earlier. I was in here chilling a little bit earlier. I had left some light in here. Open that up. That side open too, but I closed that later. I realized that was open. And I looked at the camera. But anyways, I got a cup of noodles, chicken and beef. Got some graham crackers. That's snacks. That ain't dinner. So I got some White Castle burgers in there. But I got these things right here. Hold up, I'm coming. Right here, I got a couple of these. I got the cheeseburger macaroni, hamburger, that's what I call it. Fettuccine Alfredo, chicken and broccoli. And I got the Salisbury steak. So I bought one of each because I don't know how they taste. So they got 10 grams of protein in here. 10 grams of protein in this one, 10 grams of protein in this one. And 9 grams of protein in here. Now guess what? It's not that I care at all. I really don't give a fuck if it had 120 grams of protein. I'm gonna eat it regardless. So, which one should I go with? Should I go with this one? That was for my thumbnail. That's my thumbnail right there. But which one should I go with? I'm kind of feeling the Alfredo. Who wouldn't go with Alfredo? Like, come on. Who wouldn't? If you're gonna go with the Alfredo, you just ain't from the hood. Nah, I can't even say that because all of them right there is hood meals. They all hood meals. I can't really say that. So, all right, we're going. It says cook thoroughly. What directions that? Sometimes I do gotta read directions. Before cooking, lift the corner vent. Okay, I guess that's this right here. Would say open here. Lift it, but not all the way. Damn. Hold up. Mind your business. You got it. Got it. Boom, corner vent open. All right, next step, put it in the microwave on a high 3 minutes. All right, it's in there on the high 3. I'm gonna come back out when them 3 minutes up. All right, y'all, about to take it out. Now I gotta lift it up and read the directions on the bottom. What it say? Open the lid, let it stand, move the lid carefully. Okay, so now I gotta remove the lid. Hold up, let me move, y'all. In fact, let me move y'all over here to the little table I got. Okay. Man, if I know you lying. These must be healthy food options or something. Look, man, look what's in here. I ain't tripping on that though, cause I got some pizza hut up there. I'm about to warm me up a couple of slices of some pizza and eat that with this. That goes just fine. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finishing product and what everything look like. This is my dinner option for the night. Chicken Alfredo with broccoli, pizza, or a slice of pizza. I get the other ones to my homie. I ain't eat all of them. Get the other ones to my boy. And there's orange Fanta soda. And that's really all they put in there. I don't know if this is supposed to be a healthier food option or what, but it is gonna do what it do, y'all. I know the video wasn't that long, but just wanted to show y'all quick little night eating. All right, y'all, peace out.